not every institution will allow its workers to go out for 3 weeks. But FDA has been very generous. They look into the welfare of their staff.
Also, to the our partners, sponsors, GIZ, the FDA want to acknowledge you. We are very grateful.
Oh, we can do better. We are
The Hands-On Assessor Training is in line with the overall objective to strengthen the human resource of FDA. And from what I have seen over the past 3 weeks, this has been this is awesome. Participation was excellent.
My colleagues, but we want to say a very big thank you to the organizers first, to the resource persons. We think that it's been a very fruitful 3 weeks, and we've enjoyed every bit of it.